Here we have an application of a system. Really, we've been doing this since the first LT on Unit 6, but we'll keep on going. Because the more types you see, I think the better you get at. It says 4 times a number minus 3 times another number is 12. 2 times the first number added to 3 times the second number is 6. Find the two numbers. So here's what I'm going to do. Let the letter let statement. So I'm going to let x be my first number. And I'll let y be my second number. And it says 4 times one number, so I'm going to say 4x minus 3 times another number minus 3y equals 12. In my second equation, 2 times the first number, so 2x, added to 3 times the second number, 3y, equals 6. Well, notice, if I add up my two equations, the y's will cancel. So I'm going to say 4x plus 2x is 6x equals 18. Divide both sides by 6. X equals 3. So my first number is 3. Now let's find my second number. I think I'll use the second equation here again. So I'm going to go 2x plus 3y equals 6. But I know x is 3, so 2 times 3 plus 3y equals 6. 6 plus 3y equals 6 when we simplify. Minus 6 from both sides. We get 3y equals 0. Or divide both sides by 3. Y equals 0. So what we'll say, I'll write this out as a complete sentence, and say the first number is 3. And the second number is 0. There's our answer. Now let's take a look at example 3. Now in example 3, notice they are not going to cancel when you add them, because 4x plus 4x equals 0. Or equals 8x. I want it to be 0. If we subtract the second equation, then they would be 0. Now, one thing I've noticed in the past is a lot of students make the mistake when they're subtracting. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to distribute that negative sign into that parenthesis. So I'm going to take negative 4x, positive 3y, negative 18. So I'm going to rewrite that as negative 4x plus 3y equals negative 18. Don't forget that 18. Sometimes people forget to distribute across the equal sign. You're subtracting the entire parentheses. Now I'm going to write the first equation just below it. 4x plus 2y equals 28. Now we can add, just like we did before. Now the 4x's cancel. 3y plus 2y is 5y. Negative 18 plus 28 is 10. So we'll divide both sides by 5. Y equals 2. Now we can use the first equation, the second equation, or the transformed equation. All three of them are going to work. Let's use the first equation. So we're going to say 4x plus 2y equals 28. But we know y is 2. So we're going to say 4x plus 2 times 2 equals 28. 4x plus 4 when you simplify it equals 28. Well, let's subtract 4 from both sides. So then we get 4x equals 24. Divide both sides by 4. X equals 6. Since we're using x and y, I think I'll write this in an ordered pair. 6, 2. If we would graph those, that's where they would intersect.